other people.
Yep. Can you believe that they get to...
Actually, no, I don't want to do it.
No, keep going. A little pressure right there. Oh my goodness.
That was loud.
Oh, another one. Oh, holy moly. Lay on your side facing me, okay, beautiful? Let's see here. Hey, where you going? Come on. There we go. Lay on the other side.
I'm used to it.
That's right, you're used to it. Mm-hmm. On your back. Let's see, we got a big popcorn or a little popcorn in your neck.
I have no idea.
Let's see what we got. Okay, right there. Nope, there we go. That was a little one. Here's a bigger one. Holy moly, we got one more right here. There we go.